Right everyone, I'm not sure if you can see me now because I've had the camera turned round. Right, shall we crack on with this then?
Yeah.
We're doing pancakes in the Ridge Monkey. So see how it goes. We don't need this for the minute. We've got our instructions here. I'll tell you one thing, what Tina did as well. She gave me this to whisk it all together. That's actually a hot chocolate whisk that we use for hot chocolate. It's actually this one we need. It's the bigger one. We have got an electric one, but I just thought, nah, I'll just use this one. It does the job. That's all I need it to do, really. So we don't need this for the second. I've got to put it all together first. So we've got our flour. I mean, this is just an easy one that I would do normally. I mean, I'm not in I just like to throw it all together and that's it. But that's 100 grams of plain flour. I've got my jug, so I need to do 300. I'm not sure, it didn't specifically say if it was the full fat milk or the semi-skimmed. We use semi-skimmed anyway because obviously I'm on a diet. So this was meant to be 300 mils of milk. Is that about right? That'll do, that'll do. Right, we've got our eggs. This is where it's going to get messy now, isn't it? One egg. You need 2 large eggs for this, everyone. Just splattered me in the face. And 2 eggs. What I'm going to do though, because normally I throw everything in together, you see. But, oh, I ain't got a towel. No, it's alright, this needs washing. Let me move that little one, because that's no good to me. So I'm going to just whisk this up. And then I'm going to add the flour, so it just breaks the egg up. That'll do for that. I'm only going to do a bit at a time for this, because powder always sits on the top. And what I'm going to do, it does also say I've got to put 1 tablespoon of oil, but we only use the spray oil. So I'm going to give this a little bit of a spray in here, and I'm going to put a little bit of spray in the Ridge Monkey. And then put the last of that in. Making a mess in the process, but the table's clean anyway. And it's only for me, no one else wants any. I've said, do you want any? No, so this is all for me. Well, see if Andrew wants some when he gets home. Oh, right. Don't mind Harvey, he's playing in the kitchen, don't know what he's doing. He's got a thing for spinning, you see, because we're getting him checked for autism, so let's see how we get on. I'll have a spray of this. So there's 1 tablespoon, so don't want to do too much of this stuff, because it's quite good, it's quite strong anyway. It does say you can let it sit or rest for a bit, but I'm going to do it straight away. What I do need, which I haven't got, babe, do you want to get me a plate, please? All the important things to eat with, and I forget the plate. That's just typical me, isn't it? Oh, state of it. Alright, I don't need it now, but I'll need it soon because I'll be pouring this in. Right, that's now done. Good thing with this, if I'm right in saying, you should be able to only use, because I'm not going to use all this obviously. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Once I'm done, put it in the fridge. Right, that's locked in. As you can see, I'm not using my stove in the kitchen, I'm using my camping one. So you can even do these camping as an easy meal. Hang on a minute everyone. Harvey! Harvey!
What?
Be quiet please mate. So, get this heated up. Put it on low. I just hope I don't run out of gas because I've got some but it is running low. So, fingers crossed this is going to be enough for this. Obviously I'm using my Ridge Monkey. Got my little Ridge Monkey, well I don't know if you could call it a spatula or anything because it's got the holes in, but I thought for if it does get stuck it's going to be easier to get underneath it if it does stick. So just got to wait for this to heat up. It is sounding a bit low now to be honest. Let's spray a little bit of this on both. Harvey! We don't want it sticking too much, so what we're going to do is wait for that a little bit longer. Let's get a bit of heat to get it going. I can hear it sizzling already, so I'm guessing that is hot enough. This is where see if things go wrong. Good thing with this though, because if you remember people normally toss them in the air, don't they, and flip them over. With this I could just flip it because I'll be closing the lid. Give it one last quick stir. And then close that and just leave it now for a bit. So we'll see ya once that bit's done, because I don't want to bore you just letting that seeing it cook. I'd rather wait and then show you the end result. So we'll see you in a minute. Right, gonna flip this now to see what it's like on the other side. Oh, look at that. Can you see that from there? Move that over and look at that. It's sliding. It's not sticking anywhere. I'll probably turn it back over one last time because certain people like it different ways. Me, that's basically perfect for me. I'll eat it like that. But that shouldn't take much longer now for me. I might do two. And then I've got some in there left for Andrew for if he wants any later on. So I'll close that back up and then let's just wait for that to be done. I'll get back to you in a second. Right, almost there. Just doing the last little bit and then you can have a look. And just turn that over one last time and check the other side. You see how easy this is, look. That's just how I like it. That's now done. So what I'm going to do, turn it off. And now that should, look at that slide off there. Look at that. Look at that. Right. And I like sugar and lemon. I don't know what all yous look like. Like a bit of sugar. I like mine all dead sweet. Just like that. I ain't got fresh lemon, I've got lemon juice. That's all I've got at the minute. And then douse it in lemon. I love my lemon. More lemon the better. So I'll get back, I'm going to do my second one and I'll get back to you in a minute once I do my tester. Right. I'll do the taste test now whilst this one's doing this because I think the gas ain't far off going to run out in a minute. So let's do a little test. That is spot on. Exactly how I like it. And it's come out superb on the Ridge Monkey. It's a nice easy meal for you actually. Got a Ridge Monkey camping, motorhome, camper van, whatever you like. If you celebrate Pancake Day, Ridge Monkey on the way. So I'll see ya in a bit. Ta-da for now. Oh, all finished. That was beautiful. Them Ridge Monkey pancakes. Square plate, square pancake in a square Ridge Monkey. Oh yes. They come out better than I was expecting, actually, to be honest. I'm all sweaty now, that's why I'm itching my head. Oh, it's really hot in here now. But no, worth an idea for you all, isn't it? I mean, I've had a look on YouTube previously to see what you can actually cook in Ridge Monkeys, and I don't think I've actually seen anywhere on there where I haven't gone that far into it. If you can cook pancakes in Ridge Monkey, well, you can. But like I said, this is going to be 2 videos, so I'm going to do obviously this, but speeded up, of the cooking everyone in my normal video. And then, obviously, I'm going to just do it as 1 video. So you can all see what I'm putting into it, and because I don't want to drag it out too long, and some people might not be interested, so at least I could do it as a separate video as well. Oh, excuse me. Oh, but anyway, after this, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to do the birthday wishes now, or I might do them before. No, I'll do them now. I'll put them on now, and then they're out the way, and then we'll say ta-da to you after. So, see you in a bit.